Charging begins. Battery is low. Please move robot cleaner onto the home station to charge. Battery is low. Battery is low. Searching for the home station. Black box data loading failed. Black box data stored is already full. Black box data loading completed. Black box data loading begins. Cleaning remaining area. Cleaning completed. Cleaning begins for the specified area. Area does not meet the specified conditions. Please continue to make specified area for cleaning process. Please specify the area you wish to clean using the remote controller and press Start button to initiate the cleaning process. Reserved time cleaning begins. Resume cleaning. Cell by cell mode. Please empty the dustbin after completed. Cell by cell mode. Cannot clean over door frame due to mop attached. Spiral spot mode. Please empty the dustbin after completed. Zigzag mode. Please empty the dustbin after completed. Zigzag mode. Cannot clean over door frame due to mop attached. Please remove foreign material from the brushes on the bottom. Please check if the dustbin is installed with the filter. Main power switch on the back of the robot cleaner is turned off. Please turn the switch on. Robot cleaner needs to be charging. In order to activate reservation mode, please dock the robot cleaner to the home station. Robot cleaner cannot continue cleaning. Please check the area around robot cleaner. Please remove foreign material from the suction motor. The wheels are not touching the floor. Please move robot cleaner onto flat floor. A problem has been found on the left wheel sensor. A problem has been found on the right wheel sensor. A problem has been found in the wheel motor. Please remove foreign material on the left wheel. Please remove foreign material on the right wheel. Cancelled. Current time will be set. Current time has been set. Key lock has been cancelled. Key lock has been set. Key lock has already been set. Mute has been cancelled. Mute has been set. Repeat cleaning has been cancelled. Repeat cleaning has been set up. Reservation has been cancelled. Daily reservation. Daily reservation time will be set. Once reservation. Reservation time has been set. Reservation time will be set. Turbo function has been cancelled. Turbo function has been set. Hello. Cleaning completed. Searching for the home station. Cannot locate home station. Return to starting location complete. Searching for the home station. Starting inspection mode. English. Searching for the home station. To find exact location, please step away from the robot cleaner. Environment has been studied by learning process. Data logging completed. Data logging cannot begin anymore due to lack of storage capacity. Data logging cannot begin. Data logging begins. Cell by cell mode. Spiral spot mode. Zigzag mode. Software update is completed. Software update failed. Please check your model name in LG Electronics website and try again after downloading the software. Software will be updated. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Robot cleaner has been connected to computer. A problem has been found in the acceleration sensor. Please check the brushes for obstructions. Robot cleaner smart diagnosis will be started. Please step away and clear around 1 meter around the home station. Smart diagnosis can start when it is being charged. Please dock robot cleaner to the home station to charge. Robot cleaner smart diagnosis will be started. Reservation has been cancelled for smart diagnosis. Please step away and clear any items around 1 meter or about 3 feet. Charging cannot be done due to a problem in the cliff detection sensors on the bottom. Please clean the sensors. Please check if the dustbin is installed with the filter. Smart diagnosis mode will be turned off. Smart diagnosis has failed to operate. Please try it again after turning off and on the main power switch on the back of the robot cleaner. A problem has been found on the gyro sensor. Charging cannot be done due to a problem in infrared sensor. Diagnosis mode cannot be operated due to a low battery. Please try again after the battery is charged. Smart diagnosis mode cannot be operated with mop plate being attached. Please try again after removing it. Please wipe the lower camera sensor on the right bottom of the robot cleaner. Please wipe the obstacle detecting sensor window on the left and right side of the robot cleaner. In order to listen to the smart diagnosis result again, please press the charging button. To stop, please press the stop button. No defect found during diagnosis. Please try smart diagnosis again after turning the main power switch off and on from the back of robot cleaner. If the problem continues, please contact LG Electronics customer care. A problem has been found in the suction motor. Charging cannot be done due to a problem in ultrasonic sensor. Please check for dirt on the left wheel. A problem has been found on the left wheel sensor. Please check for dirt on the right wheel. A problem has been found on the right wheel sensor. Hello.